Keir Starmer, born September 2nd, 1962, London, England, is a British politician and barrister who became leader of the Labour Party in 2020. He has served as a member of parliament for Holborn and St Pancras since 2015. Starmer became Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, replacing Rishi Sunak after a landslide Labour victory in the July 4, 2024 British general election. Born to a working class family in Surrey, England, named after Labour Party leader J. Keir Hardie, first in his family to attend university, graduating from Leeds and Oxford. Barrister and QC, specializing in human rights and criminal defense. Co-founded Doughty Street Chambers and served as joint head. Director of Public Prosecutions 2008-2013 and head of the Crown Prosecution Service. Implemented changes in handling sexual abuse allegations. Oversaw notable prosecutions including Chris Huhne case. Knighted in 2014 for service to law and criminal justice. Entered politics in 2015, becoming MP for Holborn and St Pancras. Leader of the Labour Party and opposition since 2020.